Another update. Let's take a look at ALGO over here. Extremely bullish on ALGO. It's currently doing a very nice Wyckoff and Elliot wave setup. We can clearly see that there's a lot of demand within the asset, right? So this is your preliminary supply, which is right over here. Come down for your selling climax, and then you have your automatic rally. Now, it does look a little bit different to this schematic, but it's still all the same type of pivots. Now, Wyckoff can manifest in many different forms and can take on many different shapes. For example, a descending broadening wedge, maybe a head and shoulder, right? A slanted head and shoulder, or different types of shapes Wyckoff can take, but all that matters is the pivot. So we have our automatic rally here, secondary test, fail break, and then we come down for your secondary test in phase B, which would be your extreme. So this is your extreme right here. Come back up to the top of the range, but we don't, and then we come back down again. This is a very painful experience for long-term holders because they're very confused and they're basically in hell because you have this huge drawdown by over 66%, right? But all of a sudden, we have that push to the upside for your SOS, come down to the top of the range, and then continue on forward, right? And we did the exact same thing. Pushed up very, very rapidly for your wave 3, came down for a wave 4 for your backup phase, and look what we backtested. We backtested the top of this range right over here. You guys see that? And then we had expansion. And then we have expansion from there. And that would be an extension of the wave 5, which would likely hit around $1.45, 97 cents to $1.45. So what I noticed in crypto throughout the years is that it usually likes to hit the 786. And what you get in fifth waves, because they're usually the most extended, because it's such a highly over leveraged asset class, and it can come to the 100% and the 1.236, 1.382. So I'm thinking it comes to around the 100% at $1.45, $1 to $1.45, which would be the 702 and the 786 when we take a fib from the all-time high right over here down to this very low. Now you got to be careful because this could be an ABC or it can be an impulsive move up. So you'd want to lock in profits here, and then you'd have a wave 4 before we go into that expansion. Now, this is not guaranteed, right? Nothing in the market is guaranteed. This is just an estimation, and we'll have to see level for level. But so far, lock in profits at the 702, 786, and then have a moon bag just in case it has that fifth wave just in case it has that fifth wave to then go ahead and take out this all-time high. Now, what I see over here for the Elliot wave count on ALGO, let's take a look at this. Look how nice it came down to that 200-day. I'd be expecting a grind up from here. But yeah, this is the Elliot wave count on ALGO. And I think it's a huge ABC correction. Your 3-wave move up. And then yeah, your 3-wave move up. Your 3-wave move down. And then your 5-wave move to the upside. Right? Something like that. And then this would be your A, your B, and then your C. Notice how your B wave swept your historical low right here. I remember trading this in the Discord back then in 2023. Because it swept this low right here, that was the most perfect setup to buy. And then you had your wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, potential wave 3 to $1 to $1.40. Yeah, $1 to $1.40. come down for a wave 4, and then you have your wave 5. But yeah, that's the same thing. Link did the exact same thing back in 2023. Let's take a look at Link. Even Link came down to the 200-day, very strong so far here. But yeah, Link did the same thing back in 2023. Very nice power of 3 setup. You have your accumulation. This is where all of the retail enter. Remember, whenever you have an established range, never buy into that. Always look for that manipulation under the range. Place your bids, stack your bids here aggressively, because you know it's gonna. You don't always know, but when you have accumulation for this long, like this is almost a year, then yeah, you would stack your bids aggressively under it for the anticipation of that expansion. And we did the exact same thing with Algos. So Algo is a very nice coin. I think it's going to do very, very well. It's an ISO coin made, I think it's in the Made in America list. That's what's hot right now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you next.